tech news stream is gonna start soon. If you're watching on YouTube, feel free to skip ahead. Enjoy some music in the meantime. See you soon. say hi. There he is. This is an AI-powered drone that I programmed. No, I'm kidding. It's just a puppy. It's just a puppy. Look at this. And what did you say? Ah, okay. He said he's excited about learning about some technology news. Alright, so we open the browser here. There we are. Pause the music, which is from Whitebot Audio YouTube channel. Great job in providing copyright-free music. Really appreciated by streamers like me. Number one, let's do this, guys. I'm excited. Let's see. I started SaaS companies in 2013 and 2021. How things have changed. Let me check if the mic is working. Yes, because last stream I started SaaS companies 2013 and 2021. How things have changed. Let's see. I'm curious about this one. So in 2013, I co-founded Heap, product analytics company. Oh wow! And then in 2021, I co-founded Airplane, a developer platform. Here's what I observed as being different in SaaS startup this time versus last time. Let's see. I'll just go over the titles. Is bigger than ever. What the hell? Public SaaS companies are bigger. When we started Heap, the only 3 standalone SaaS companies valued more than 10 billion were Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Workday. Now there's 47 public companies with valuation above 10 billions. Wow, 6 of which are worth more than 100 billions. Wow, and plenty of private companies as well. Seed rounds are bigger, growth rates are faster. Wow. Number 2, there are way more SaaS companies, and getting initial traction is harder. 2013, we posted a link on Hacker News and got 3,000 people requesting access in one day. In 2021, there's a dozen really cool SaaS launches in Hacker News or Product Hunt. Yeah, that's true. Number 3, product MVPs have a much higher degree of polish, and companies wait much longer to launch. SaaS is much better understood as a model. SaaS is much better understood by customers. Conventional wisdom was that you have to sell to large enterprises to succeed. It's easier to focus on what matters. Okay. Okay, I guess this guy has good points. What is secure frame and Vanta? Security compliance. Oh. Security compliance. HIPAA, ISO, blah 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 blah. Oh wow, so they take care of that. Very cool. I'll leave the link here in case somebody wants to hear more in detail. Running around, no, he's here sleeping. Number 2, show hacker news. 40,000 hacker news comments mentioning books extracted using deep learning. Alright, let's see. Okay, so it's just a list extrapolated by. That's crazy. Thinking fast and slow. Ah, okay, so you click on one and it shows you all the occurrences and what time. Ah, that's interesting, that's cool. So you get a lot of feedback on things. That's really cool actually. Wow. Huh. Number 3, GitHub Actions, ephemeral self-hosted runners and new webhooks for auto scaling. So GitHub is getting more. The tool set is expanding, definitely. I guess because it's been acquired by Microsoft, so it's really ramping up the range of products. You must have Azure as a backend, as an infrastructure to rely on. Number 4, Rust on the MOS 6502 beyond Fibonacci. Must be some math article. Ruby Packer, distribute your Ruby code as a compiled binary. Definitely useful if you program in Ruby. I'm not happening to program in Ruby anymore. Last time I did was for Ruby on Rails, when it was really popular. Number 6, ARM AARch64 adds memcopy instructions. Former NSA hacker describes being recruited for UAA spy program. No way. Alright, let's do this. Little movie time. A defensive, an offensive. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh no, that's bad. Oh wow. The deception didn't initially concern. They began pushing back. Okay then. Wow. Crazy story, guys. I'll leave the link. 8. Python GUIs, graphical user interfaces for humans, transforms UI into people-friendly Pythonic interfaces. Let's see that. Any examples? Alright, very cool, but can you show me a GUI? Okay, there it is. Okay, stuff like that. Window, layout, cool. Okay, so yeah, graphical user interfaces. So interfaces, so windows, fields, etc., where you can click and interact with your program. Cool. Very cool. I'll leave the link. Very, very, very useful. Number 9, structural pattern matching in Python 3.10. Number 10, what is this Gemini thing and why am I excited about it? Oh man, what a clickbait title. I've been writing about some specific topics in the realm of Gemini on my blog over the past 2 months or so, but I still haven't written a broader introduction to Gemini, what I'm doing with it, and why you should be excited about it. Let's do that today. So Oh, good. It says it right there. Gemini is a network protocol for exchanging hypertext documents. Cool. Network protocol for exchanging hypertext documents. Hypertext in a general sense of the word, not with respect to the hypertext markup language. It's a simple network protocol which allows clients to request hypertext documents in its own format, gemtext. It is in some respects an evolution of Gopher, but more modernized and streamlined. Uses transport layer security to establish an encrypted connection with a self-signed certificate. Very cool. I'll leave the link. Very cool. Number 11, a function decorator that rewrites the bytecode to enable GoTo in Python. Very niche topic into Python, I think, development. ClickHouse Inc. 13, show Hacker News. 7 graphical user interfaces in vanilla HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Oh, guys, by the way, I haven't sorted them by the newest. Haha. Okay, I guess I'll finish this list. There's no point in changing and taking the content out. ClickHouse Inc. Show Hacker News. 7 graphical user interfaces in vanilla HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. A mathematician's guided tour through higher dimensions. Rejections, resilience, and rejoicing. Getting at the newer track position. IPv6 excuses.com. What is that? Oh, no way. That's funny. Can we just buy more IPv4 addresses? Our dynamic DNS doesn't support it. Azure doesn't support it. IPv6 is lower than everything. Oh my god, that's so funny. IPv6 excuses.com, guys. You can even have the IPv6 excuse bingo. Oh man. That's so funny. That's so funny. Obviously, I'm leaving the link of this one up. 17, developer experience is user experience. 18, Jerry YCS17 is hiring. 19, The Truth by Stanislaw Lem. 20, Amazon's AI cameras are punishing drivers for mistakes they didn't make. Oh man, that's so good. 21, 6 degrees of Wikipedia. What is that? I love Wikipedia, so let's see. What? Find the shortest path from. That's so funny. That's so funny. It gives you how you can jump from article to article to get to the other one. Wow, that's so funny. Let's see. Oh, but that's not good. That's not a fun one. Let's see. Let's go from money to actually let's make this. Let's go to some startup. To money. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh, and they might be like too similar because startups make money, so it might be just a very short path. Or let's see if it gets funny. I'll leave this one running. 22. How to ride a motorcycle. 1942 British military training film. Oh, that's cool. Alright, we can. I usually don't watch videos, but this time we have. Woohoo!
Machine, which if thoroughly learned and intelligently handled, is a speedy and reliable means of transport under almost all conditions.
Hell yeah.
A motorcycle is made up of a number of parts, each one having its own job. It's a straightforward machine, readily accessible, and certainly not difficult to understand. Let us examine a typical model and get a general idea of how the wheels go round. The tank contains the fuel, petrol, which runs down a pipe to the carburetor.
Okay.
From the carburetor, the petrol is sucked into the cylinder, and a current generated by the magneto is sent along an insulated wire, causing a spark in the sparking plug, which ignites the vaporized petrol and air mixture and pushes down the piston inside the cylinder. This diagram will explain how the four-stroke cycle is applied to the motorcycle.
That's so cool. They even had
The
animations.
petrol and air is sucked in, compressed, fired by the spark and pushed out through the exhaust. Induction, compression, power, exhaust. Induction, compression, power, exhaust.
Wow.
The spark at the plug explodes the mixture which pushes down the piston. This in turn pushes down the connecting rod, which is attached to the main shaft which drives the chain connected to the gearbox. From the gearbox, another chain transmits the power to the rear wheel.
That's so cool.
That gives you a very elementary idea of the workings of a motorcycle. These movements are controlled from the handlebars, so we'll examine the different controls. On the left are three controls: ignition control, exhaust valve
I
lifter,
need to watch this whole thing
and
later.
clutch lever. The front brake,
The clutch.
the movement of the gear.
Haha. What is he doing?
By taking your first trip under man instead of machine power, you can soon learn to keep your balance, because you only have balance to think about. The novice wobbles a bit on his first attempt, which is quite natural, but he still keeps his feet on the footrests. It is surprising how quickly the balance is found, and with that discovery comes your confidence. The full-length kick and a backfire. Never slip the clutch. Start is a wide circle, and release the clutch.
Nah, this is so cool, guys. I'll leave the link in the description for sure. Let's see if this was... Oh no, unfortunately it didn't work. Let's try again. 23. Saga of the cannibal ants in a Soviet nuclear bunker. Okay. Laziness does not exist. Depends. Okay. 25. Inspecting core dumps like it's 2021. 26. Emacs typing tutor. Oh, Emacs is a program to write code. 27. Let's encrypt old root certificate is expired. Microsoft ruined passwords, now aimed for a passwordless future. Ooh. 29. Home price to income ratio. As a solo developer, I decided to offer phone support. Ouch. Alright, I never get to product hunt, so let's do it now. Exactly. Alright, let's see. Alright, here I'm just gonna do the newest. Email-based bookmarking service. No, we don't need notifications. Blue Sheep. Evaluate more than 6,000 different tokens. Avoid crypto scams. Customer portal within Microsoft Teams. Sprig. Round glass, meditation and sleep. All-in-one product research platform. How? What do they mean by? Oh, it's promoted. I don't care. I don't really want to see promoted links. Want to see the organic content. Not that it's bad for promoted stuff to be there. I just want to focus on the non-paid stuff. Soft UI dashboard Pro React. Okay, must be components for the React library. React is a framework, a set of files of code pre-written that you get, and you can use it to write front ends of web applications. Next, you focus distraction-free learning on YouTube. It must be a front end of YouTube, you know. Bit.io, all of your data in one place. Promoted link. P-Translate, translation, localization, and writing service for everyone. Will it fit? AR measurement made easy. Crypto Bread, discover hot crypto buying and selling opportunities. Astrel, change anything in your apps without touching your code. Let's see. What do foreigners think about your country? News, logo, etc. What the hell? Let's see. Dark Reader for iOS. An app to create an entire silent disco. That's funny. Smoothie, newsletter that sends startup ideas via visual storytelling. What the hell? The only rental service for designer menswear. Exact buyer prospector. Earn money for you and your friends' purchases. Spurs. What the name? Unregistered domain names straight to your inbox. Ooh. Yeah, but how long do they last? 4 subscribers? What the hell? So what the hell? They're just like this? They just get donations. Interesting. And then Twitter. Oh, let's see how many followers on Twitter. Ah, okay, there is a bunch. We launched today, 56 minutes. That's crazy. Let's see. I'll give it a try. You know, I'll give it a try. Why not? And then last one, graph body. Understand code better with graphs. Let's see. How is that possible? Oh wow. Your Scala code only, or a bunch of different codes, languages. That's very cool though. It might help to see how a lot of function inside functions get called, or very cool, or variables referenced. Wow. Badass. Now you click open and then it just boom pops it open. That's so cool. Super cool. Alright, good stuff. So it's getting late, I'm getting sleepy, and so We had a few very cool Hacker News product. What is this? Oh, this is the one, the other one that I clicked. Is it in Russian? What the hell? We went to Part News, Hacker News. I'm gonna post all the links that we opened on the YouTube description, and nothing. Very simply, thank you for watching. I appreciate everything and all the time, and see you soon. Bye bye.